that, oh my god, this level is so bad in every form possible, bro. 37%. What could possibly, like, have made him, Mr. Crazyman50 here, make this click? This click has drove me insane over the past 18,500-ish attempts, bro. This level is so bad. I'm giving this a 2 out of 10 enjoyment rating. And, I'm so glad I don't have to play this. Never go for this as a new artist. I mean, if you're good at the game, go ahead, but, this shit is ass. Anyways, like and subscribe.